In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a beautiful the end sticker at the end of your video in Filmora. So if you are editing a video and you like it to end with the end sticker or the end message, then it is possible to add it in Filmora. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and add your video in your timeline, and then go ahead and click on stickers here. From stickers, go ahead and look for the end sticker, and if you can't find it, then use these categories on the left here to find it. Under this, scroll down until you find the option called cinematic. Now if you click on cinematic, you can see we have quite a number of options, and among them is the end sticker here. So choose the style that you wish, and we have like this, and another one is here, and another one is here. So I'd like to go ahead and use this. So to use it, download it first, and it will be downloaded. And here we go. So to add it on the timeline, go ahead and click on it, and then just drag it on the timeline, or you can just click on the plus icon here and it will be added. Now once it has been added, go ahead and move it at the correct location that you wish. For instance, I can move it towards this, and it will end with a beautiful the end message on this video. And look at that. Wow. So that's how you can add the end message or sticker on your videos in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.